Okay, I have an Amana ptac here that won't go into heat. It does work in cooling, but it won't go into heat. Put it on heat, turn it up. You can hear where it clicks to go into heat. There you go, you hear that click, but it's not heating. So I'm gonna, most likely it's my heating coils, heating element. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to change that out. Very simple. What you want to do is turn the power off. Either unplug it, or in this case it's hardwired, so I have to. So what I'm going to do on this one, I'm going to go ahead and turn the breaker off. Okay. There's 4 screws you have to remove. There's 2 here. Okay, now this right here, you just move it out the way. Just get it out the way there. Then you got 2 more screws right here. Okay. Now this is your heating element. It just lifts right straight up. Be careful with it. You got 2 wires right here. You got 2 wires. And in the back here you have your sensor. Well, that's also a quarter. So let's get rid of that one. Be careful with this. Just set it aside. And then you got 2 more wires. Put your needle nose right here. Pull this wire out. Okay. And there's this one here up on top. There. 2 wires. There it is there. This is your hidden element here. They go bad for different reasons. What you would do here is you would get the make and model number here. You would call supply house and order you one for you order the same one. But I happen to have an old unit that something else went wrong with it, so I'm using the parts. So here it is. Here I just pulled this out of another unit. Put it back the same way you took it off. Let's go ahead and put on my sensor first. Okay. Then you put on your 2 wires out here. Same way you took them off. Okay. Gotta be careful with these wires when you put it back. It just fits right back the way you took it off. Then you put your wiring back on there. Okay, there it is there. Plug it back in. In this case, it's hardwired, so I'm going to turn the breaker back on. We'll turn the breaker back on and we'll come back and test it. Okay, got the power back on. Let's go ahead and test it. Heat on. Hear that click, which is good. There it is there. Heater's working. That's all it was. It was my heating coils. So, got this baby to work. There it is there. Putting out heat at 87 degrees, getting hotter. Very simple how to change out a heating coil on an Amana ptac. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.